Mantiga baby in the house. Welcome back to another wonderful episode. In honor of Labor Day coming up, we are going to do some rustic thing today. But we are dealing with some chicken foot. You see me? And you know, say hard workers out there what them normally use. Them normally use the foot and them normally use the hand. You see me? Some people use their mouth a lot, but hey, it is what it is. You don't have to go use your mouth to eat already, but we are talking about the work thing, you see me? Alright, so we have to do some chicken foot today. You know what I mean? Normally growing up as a kid, what we usually do when we go a bush or whatever with the bridge in them, you know, you bring a cheese pan and go and run some dumpling in that. And you run some curry chicken or some curry chicken foot in another. And we're growing up sometime, you know, in the ghetto or in the country, wherever it be. When our time sit and mommy only have some chicken foot in the fridge and probably one or two little piece of chicken thigh, and everybody a cry out and say, "Mommy, we want some curry." And you say, "Boy, that little chicken foot they went safe still for the soup, but you know the kids them a ball for the curry." So what you do? You're not gonna see us and say, "Boy, you can't have it." You know, mommy and daddy always try to do them best. So what them do, them come up with a nice way of making some curry chicken with it, and it come out pretty good. You know what I mean? What we do, you know, we add little couple pieces of chicken thigh to it as well to kind of make it up. And you know, so the chicken foot now have a lot of meat, but it's still enough and it's still succulent. You know what I mean? So we'll make it look beautiful today. We'll run it and we'll show you how I go on. Stay tuned. Alright, so what we have here, we have about a pound of chicken foot. We have about a half a pound of chicken thigh. We may cut up small as well. You know, take out the bone and all them things there and cut it up nice. You know, make sure so your chicken foot, all the nails them clip off on them thing, they clean it up, get off all the extra, you know, little pieces of skin or whatever it is. Wash that up, you know, put it in a little container like this, a little bowl I should say. Season it with about 2 teaspoons of salt. We have about 2 teaspoons of curry powder, real nice Jamaican curry powder. Season this with about half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I may do about 1 teaspoon of onion powder. You know what I mean? You mix that together and make it go and marinate. You know, go and sit down until you're ready to deal with it on the stove. You see me? Other than that, still forget it cooking. We have a 1 scallion here, otherwise known as green onion. We have about a half an onion here. Normally, what I like to do when I do the method called burn the curry, I normally put about you know, a little bit of the onion with the curry to go and get that happy first. And then once the curry chicken itself start cooking and reach about halfway, I put the other piece of onion inside it. But all together is about a half an onion that. You know, so we have to put some potato in it. So I cut up some pieces a little smaller, because this will make the body of your gravy. And then I cut up you know, the other half of the potato a little bit bigger. So you want something to chew on. And of course I'll drop a little bit of spinach. So we have about a half a cup of flour in here with a dash of salt. You know, we'll make some spinach with that. After you have some ginger, and you have to put a nice little piece of garlic in it the same way. So, you know, everything all kind of ready, and you know we have a piece of time right there, so the same way. So everything's ready to go. You know what I mean? What we all do now, I get the pot hot, chew it on, and then get it all ready to go. You see me? So let's get started. Alright family, so we're over here to the stove now. We have the oil on, set to medium high. It's gotten hot enough, so it's time to do the method called burn the curry. You know, I put a whole lot of oil, just enough for, you know, just enough for do what you need to do. So for me right now, that's probably about, at the most, not even half a cup, little less than half, so 1/3. We'll put in about 1 teaspoon of curry powder inside of this hot oil right here. It's gonna give the curry chicken a beautiful coat and release all those beautiful flavors same way, you know what I mean? So try to mix him up, make him get happy. I really want to make it sit down here for too long. You know, just a couple seconds, and then we'll get in with little pieces of onion for kind of get that started as well. So whatever flavor the curry is releasing, the onion kind of give a wonderful addition to that before you add in your chicken, you know. This is the best method when you're cooking curry chicken. With curry, it's a very strong flavor. You don't want to overdo it, but at the same time you don't want to underdo it as well. Yeah? So You know, just mix this around for a little bit. You don't want, like I say, you don't want to really do this too long. Just a couple seconds. Not really a couple, more than a couple, but you know, I look for maybe about 10-15 seconds. And then we'll do a drop in with chicken, you know. So that look like it's well released. So, let's get this thing going. You see all this here, we'll put the water. When you put the water in it, we want all them things in the bottom, you know. All them things, they all like seasoning ready for your chicken. You don't want to lose that. It's just like cooking regular curry. The only difference is you have to put some curry chicken. You know, you have to put some chicken foot in it. So try and make sure see all the stuff them gone in at the bottom. Get themselves happy. I like to turn it around a little bit so that curry that you had going in the bottom in the aisle, you want that coat your chicken, you know. You want to just give it a quick little turn, just to kind of get the curry going on the meat itself. Then you want to kind of settle everything back down in the pot. Nice. Settle him down, settle him down. Alright, and now we all do, you cover the pot here. Normally you don't really add water in right away. You want it kind of spring the water from the chicken naturally. So whatever you can get out of the chicken naturally, when it is time for you to make your gravy, then you can kind of gauge to see how much more water you need. Because you don't want watery curry chicken. You want your curry chicken to have a nice kind of base, you know what I mean? So what I do normally is run this for a few minutes. I probably run it for about 5 to 8 minutes. Make it naturally release it's with the water that's, you know, that's inside. And then we take a look and see what's going on, see whatever water extra we need to add. And then after we add that, we can add in with veg and things. See me? So check back with me here in a little bit. Alright, so let's take a look and see what's going on. Looking beautiful, looking beautiful. Alright. So we are going to do right here now. I forget a little thing to hold the pot here. And I mix this around. Yeah man, looking beautiful. Love that look. Love that look. Alright, so never really spring a whole lot of water, but that's fine. You know, at least the chicken get to get a nice little coat from the outside. You know what I mean? And then all that wonderful seasoning get to cake on itself on the meat. Not really cake like make a coating, but you know what I mean? Kind of get himself in body, you know? It's beautiful. Alright, so this thing is looking good here now. So what we are going to do, we are going to add in the water right about now, because with vegetable them and other things have to go cook the same way. And we can't really wait too long for that, because you know, so these things not take long to cook. Chicken you deal with, is it? So right now I have about a cup of water in here. I kind of put in the same pan when I hold the seasoned meat. You know, one kind of capture whatever little seasoning, you know, release off of the chicken in the bowl. So I'll throw that right on the meat right about now. Just like that. Calm him down. Get that put in the sink. And now we are going to add in with a little piece of potato. Actually we are adding both. The smaller pieces them should cook before the larger. With the other little piece them over on the side the same way. Probably all up in the camera, but sometime I say go. Alright, so put all them things there down and kind of wash off the spoon. The spoon capture a lot of my seasoning same way. I don't want to lose none of that. Right? Alright, get with scallion in. You have a piece of garlic. Just eat a cup, you know, just cut this up couple little pieces in it same way. You want to mince this up smaller, you can. But me as a man, I love Me enjoy every ingredient, so it don't really matter to me if it have a bigger piece or a smaller piece, as long as him do him for do. Alright, and then what I do now, I cut up my thyme. I make sure say all of that go down in the water here. Yep. Alright, looks like we're good to go here for now. So what we're going to do here, we'll cover this up and let it get to a boil. Once it gets to a boil, then we're going to go ahead and add in with spinners. You know, those little mini dumplings. Yeah, we'll add those in here once they start to boil up. Like I said, this thing now going to take a long time to cook. So you want to try to get everything in so then you can get them full time for cook. And you know, we don't have no issues at the end. So, although we'll cover this up here now, everything's still on medium high. Cover this up and let it get to a boil. You probably give it about maybe 3-4 minutes. And we'll see how it look. Alright, now I'll try to get my spinners going. So, I'm going to grab that little flour thing, add a little water, and get that spinned up. Check back with me. Alright. Woo, look at that. Looking beautiful. Alright, so this is running now for about 5 minutes or so. So what do we put in with spinners? So, now I already make a dough. And if you don't know how to make this thing, you probably never watched my video before. Or my videos before. You can check my oxtail video or my other curry chicken video. Simple thing. But you know, basically form a little dough. And we'll kind of break these off into little pieces. And then we'll kind of put them in our hand and rub it together like that. Basically you pray, but you move your hand and spin it at the same time. Like that. You'll drop them in. See me? I'll drop them in. Just like that. So what I'm going to do at this time, I don't really want to make the gravy dry out too much, so I'm going to turn this down. So 1 level above medium. Kind of turn it down so you can get your spinners in, because you don't want your gravy dry out, you know what I mean? I have enough water in this thing, but you know, me's a man, I like a decent amount of gravy. The young ones, them like it too, you know? You know, normally me as a person still, me not really like add the carrot thing in my curry. Normally, you know, before, you know, me do a video where I add carrot in my curry chicken, but normally I don't need that. If I cook for myself personally, I don't add no carrot in my thing, you see me? Normally we just do that really, you know, to add color to the dish. Even though carrot is a beautiful veg, don't get me wrong, I love carrots. But, you know, me personally don't like put it in my curry chicken. The only reason why I do it is to just get some color. That's really about it. I like my curry chicken savory. You know, we try to stay away from the sweet when I deal with curry. So a little spice, and you have your salt level on the back. You know, some people might disagree, but like me say, you know, with the dishes I show how to make it your own. You know what I mean? Cook from your heart and you never go wrong. So if you think you want to add a couple of carrot in your thing, or a piece of carrot, by all means, customize how you would like. You know, but for me personally, this thing will be very rustic. Very classic. So, just add in with spinners, you know, because you know, so we can't really do the curry without spinners. That's blasphemy, man. You know, spinners in your curry, you have to do something wrong. I mean, me can't buckle when it comes to the carrot thing still. I make it, me don't mind doing it both ways, as I said before, but my preference is without. But if you tell me say you do your curry chicken without no spinners, you can keep it, you know. Alright, so trying to get the thing them in here right now. I really want to brush your spoon against the dough where you just make right away. So you want to kind of move the meat in a way where it makes space so the dumpling them can fall down in at the bottom. And of course, if you have a decent size pot, you won't really have the problem of running too tight, you know. Alright, so right about now we're adding with spinners. We are going to add in the last bit of of onion right about now. Have to get the last little oomph. You know what I mean? We don't really taste it yet still. I'll taste it here in a minute. After I cover it down for another couple minutes, I'll taste it and then we'll add the finishing touches. Okay? So right now we just add with spinners. Cover him up for about 3 minutes. Make it go and bubble up a little bit. And then we'll taste the flavor and see, you know, with salt level, taste and spice level and all them things there. So we're near the end. Just give me a few more minutes. Check back with me. Alright, so we have it bubbling here for about 3 minutes or so. Everything looking beautiful. Kind of spin him around a little bit. Make sure your spinners get the full complements of the sauce in at the bottom there. Also for cook as well, isn't it? So look at that rich curry flavor, man. If the lighting was better, you'd be able to see this rich curry flavor. But once we take some photos later on, you know, normally at the end I try to show some photos of how the finishing product is. You guys will be able to see what's going on there. So right now, what I'm going to do is taste the flavor and see where we're at. You know what I mean? What we need, what we're lacking. I know we're not lacking too much, but probably need a little bit more salt. So I go on and taste it and see what we look like. Alright. Get me out of thing here. Alright, taste all the sauces. Alright. Flavor is very mild, so right off the top you're gonna need a little salt, okay? So I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt right now. Just a teaspoon. Call it a full tea. And then you're gonna get some chicken bouillon. So I'm gonna add a teaspoon of excuse me. Just get a piece of chicken stuck in my throat for some time. Alright, so 1 teaspoon of that. That gives a nice little body at the end. And then a little bit of cayenne. Little bit. Yeah, the camera person calling out saying, no, but you know, we like this, we like a little bit of spice. Now listen, you see, cayenne is very spicy for some people. So this is the amount I have to resort to right about now. So, just a little bit. Alright? Not much. Alright. Now mix that in here. And mind you, this is not on any high level here. This is 1 level above medium. You know what I mean? We want it just enough gravy. Make sure say everybody happy, you know? You don't want to eat dry rice. So I'm going to mix that in here. I'll mix it in a little bit. And then we'll kind of taste it and see. You take your time with the salt. You don't want to really salt your food. So if you need to add a little bit in even after this, you know, do what you need to do. Season it to your liking. You know what I mean? May I season it to my liking here. Season it to yours. If you like it really salty, I your thing that. You know me, I try to do my thing so the flavor is strong. But it's not overpowering if you say you have too much salt or you have too much this or too much. No. We're right there, man. We're right in the perfection zone. Alright? Alright, so we taste it now and see what's going on. Alright. Does it taste good to me, baby? Alright, so we're pretty much almost there. Make sure so your potato them cook. What I'll probably do, I'll cover this over and get and turn it down all the way to medium. So put it for medium here. You want to cover this over and get about 5 minutes per medium. And then you should be good to go. Clear? Alright, so make sure everything kind of you know, all your meat down in the water. So it can absorb all that beautiful flavor. Right? Beautiful, beautiful. Cover this over. Give this about 5 minutes and then we should be done. Alright? So what we'll do, I'll plate right after that and show you what's going on and show you what the finishing product look like. See me? Check back with me. Almost forgot to add the ginger. Why you guys never remind me, man? I may tell you, sometime a chefy thing, you forget thing here and there and right close to the last minute you remember what's a chefy thing, you know? So we'll add a little piece of ginger here, probably about a half a teaspoon, you know, grated fresh ginger. You can't do the curry thing without adding a little piece of ginger in there. You know what I mean? Keep down whatever unpleasant from your stomach, you know what I mean? So just a little piece, a little, not too much. Let me say just a half a teaspoon. Just a half a teaspoon. Make that go down in it. Can't believe me, I almost forget the ginger stir. Alright, so fix that heat, cover him up, promise you now, we'll cover him up, you know, man, give him make him run 4 minutes at this point. I will just make him run a one when I cover him up a while ago. So 4 minutes time, good to go. Clear. We're done, family food ready to go. Everything plated, looking beautiful. I'm ready for the game. Check out and see what I'm going. Alright, so here we have some nice curry chicken foot. Looking really beautiful with a little gungo rice and peas on the side. And what I say, can't really get some the natural. Well, not really say natural, but we can't get the straight from the peg peas, you know, foreign. So we have to do the can thing with them thing there, you know what I mean? It is what it is. But if you want to find them thing, they just check out when you buy it like in a Walmart and one of them grocery store. They look for the pigeon peas, the canned pigeon peas. And that are the gungo peas same way, you know what I mean? What them call the pigeon peas, as you know, foreign. But you know, you have to do what you have to do to make it still feel like home. You know what I mean? So everything plated here. We have the gungo rice and peas right here. We have the curry chicken foot right here, and we're ready for the game. I'm glad to see you guys join me again for another wonderful episode. You know, like I said, this is a Labor Day surprise. So you know, I want to try do something where we're a little bit outside of the box. You know, a lot of people frown upon these little things, but me, you know, you can leave home, but home never leave your heart. You know what I mean? So these things are things that we eat a yard. I mean, like to bring it and present it and make it and show other people. Say, you know what? We can't forget these things. These are our roots, our culture, and we can't forget it. You forget it, you forget yourself. You see me I deal with. So again, not you know, at the end right now we don't want to do too much talking, so we want to dig in. So one love, more love, Mantico baby, righteousness. Signing out. Straight.